Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you, when I first saw this 1970 GMC C2500 with its factory utility bed and original telescoping Alaskan camper, I thought my neighbor Dave had finally upgraded from sleeping in his garage. I believe this truck is the kind of rig that makes you stop mid-burger bite at a roadside diner and say, "Now that's a vehicle." Before we dive under the hood and inside the camper, don't forget to subscribe to the CampAvto channel because we've got more rolling classics than Dave has unpaid parking tickets. Now, this beauty comes dressed in California gold. Yes, the kind of gold that doesn't come from mining, but from good design. The utility bed isn't just a storage locker on wheels. It's got compartments for tools, propane tanks, and probably even space for Dave's fishing gear that he hasn't touched since '92. That step-up bumper makes climbing in the back easier than sneaking into my buddy Gary's fridge on poker night. The telescoping camper is where the magic happens. Alaskan built these with a hydraulic lift system that keeps it compact on the road, but gives you full headroom at camp. I think that's genius. Compact when you need it, roomy when you're frying bacon. Inside, you'll find a 4-person dinette up front, a kitchenette in the rear with a 3-burner stove, oven, sink, fridge freezer, wardrobe, blinds, and enough outlets to power every lava lamp in your friend's man cave. Under the hood, this truck flexes a 400 cubic inch, 6.6-liter V8 paired with a 3-speed C3 automatic transmission. That big block engine breathes through a fresh 4-barrel carburetor and sends power straight to the rear axle. Recent updates include a rebuilt AC compressor, new evaporator, lines, brake refresh, and even a cleaned and coated fuel tank. Translation? It runs cool, it stops right, and it probably smells less like gasoline than Dave's lawnmower. On the road, those refreshed brakes and newer tires mean you won't be white-knuckling down every hill. And the factory hubcaps? I liked the most how they complete that late 60s, early 70s vibe, reminding you this was a truck built when style mattered as much as strength. Inside the cab, beige upholstery and swiveling AC vents feel surprisingly refined for 1970. This wasn't just a truck. It was GMC's way of saying, yeah, we can make comfort cool too. Now, let's talk price. This classic was listed at $28,877 USD, around 27,400 euros, which I believe is a steal considering it's a fully functional camper, a vintage big block GMC, and a slice of American history all in one.